Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at Android 16 developer preview on my good old Pixel 6a. This is the device that I've been using for a few years already, and I haven't been used it as my main device. I have another one, Pixel 8, but currently it went to Amazon for refund, and let's see what's going to happen next. So meanwhile, I decided to install the developer preview on this phone, and at first it felt like a mistake for me because this is my primary device for now. But eventually, I have realized that everything works just almost normally. There were a few issues so far, but overall, I'm very happy with the system updates. So let's start with this particular screen. First, what they did is now you can fit more icons. So in the Android 15, I had all of the screen busy with the icons and with the widgets, and this area took a bit more space, and now I have +1 row. I don't feel like I'm gonna fill it with some other apps. This is gonna be too overwhelming as for my taste. And also, as you can see, all of the icons except for this one are in the same style because that's what Pixel Launcher allows. But basically, this is an improvement for someone who wants to have a lot of apps in here. Also on the home screen, they have updated the battery indicator. I think it looks closer to iOS now. And as one of my good old friends said some time long ago, Android and iOS are moving towards each other and will meet somewhere in the middle, which happens to be the case. And also the Wi-Fi symbol, it has become more clear now with those stripes and the mobile signal. So yeah, I like the improvements, and this one looks readable enough, especially in this background, so I don't mind it to be smaller. And yeah, so this is the home screen. These are the other apps. I also like how the drawer with all the apps currently looks like. So if we swipe up, yeah, you see it goes right behind the keyboard, and basically all the apps are here. You can search if you want right away, or you can swipe it down. So it blends with your wallpaper. It's not taking all of the overtaking all of the screen. It looks more rather like a bottom sheet. And yeah, I like this improvement. It looks way more stylish, and as you can see, the performance on Pixel 6a is not so bad. It's pretty good. So yeah, from here you also have access to the photo search and the voice search, because that's what I was using usually from my desktop of the home screen of my Android device. But yeah, that's what it is now. So yeah, I like it a lot. The other thing which I have noticed right away is updated design for notifications. I like it so much. So take a look. Those notifications are way more dense now, so it just fits more messages within such a card with the group messages. And yeah, you can usually also on the lock screen, you can usually see only this, which is like a teaser for the notifications you have inside, because it displays the icons of the apps. And yeah, sometimes if you have a reminder or something, it will appear on top, but only the one notification, and it will not cover your wallpaper anymore. Like on the Android 15, I could never see my wallpaper, and there was like no point in installing a picture, for example, because I never saw it. It was rather notifications that I had to clean, and I didn't bother to do that or that. So yeah, or the icons, yeah, that took all the space of the main screen, and I tried to keep it like one screen plus one additional screen with some other apps I recently installed. So yeah, speaking of the wallpaper, they have updated that part as well. And now if you go here to the wallpaper style, you can choose the wallpaper picture. Yeah, so let's try to choose my cat, for example. And with this picture, is quite interesting. As you can see, it doesn't crop nicely. So yeah, maybe I can move it. Well, no. But if you choose effects, you can choose the shape of the outline. So yeah, this looks actually like the entrance to his cat house. So yeah, maybe we can do that, or maybe we can do this. And you just select the background color you think it plays nicely with. and Android detects the best color itself, although you can tweak it if you want. So yeah, maybe I feel like I want to be on green. And here you go, so you can apply it, and then what it looks like is yeah, let's apply it. Yeah, let's block it. So yeah, here it's not as nice because the picture original is not as good. But then if you lock the screen, yeah, you see there is the cat. This part moves below, and if you unlock the screen, it goes like this, boom. So yeah, I like this update a lot. I think playing with the right picture could make it really nice. Yeah, maybe I'll switch back to this other wallpaper. Here you go. And also, beside that, if you choose another style, so there is another effect for it. So yeah, let's choose another picture of my cat. I think that's the one. And on top of that, you can have different effects like a weather effect. So this is local. Currently, it's sunny. Let's say we want to have a fog. I think this is impressive. Rain. This is also good because recently I have set this to working on another wallpaper. I entered to the elevator of my apartment building. I looked at my phone screen. I was like, "Whoa, it's raining there!" And yeah, I decided to come back for an umbrella right away. So it saved me like 30 seconds of extra travel in elevator, but I think it's pretty good. So yeah, I would use it. And yeah, it can detect local weather and show you relevant weather conditions, just like in iOS weather app. And yeah, I love it. So you can do like this, and we switch the wallpaper to my cat again, and then we lock the screen, we unlock it, and boom, it shows the sun glares. Not as visible as it could be, yeah, on this particular background, but still pretty good. So yeah, I like it. Now, the next update is also, well, yeah, let's finish with the notifications. So for notifications, they also have like a very nice physics. So now it's just nicer to tap and see what's inside. And also there is a haptics, which you probably can't hear, but it's just nicer, and the animations with the border radius around the upper and the one below. So yeah, I like it a lot. I think that they made a great job at making these notifications easier to use, and this is highly appreciated already in the developer preview. Now, beside that, speaking of this screen, so this area with the quick settings has become so much more useful. So for example, in the wallet, I see a preview of the card which I'm using by default. Nice. In the if I click the flashlight, I have this animation of changing the border radius. I like it as well. So it's more clear now if it's on or off, I mean, depending on the light or the dark theme. For the Wi-Fi, I can deep dive here, and just as previously, I can see all the connections. Yeah, this one is pretty good. So yeah, I think it hasn't changed dramatically, except maybe for this, but I can't recall now. And in the Bluetooth area, there is a definitely improvement. So first, it just works way faster, and I can connect my AirPods, for example, in a second, and disconnect them in a second, and nothing is glitching. Like everything is really working pretty well. And yeah, here is my Pixel Watch connected here. So I don't know, I mean, it's Pixel 6a, it's a developer preview, but everything is working so great, just like a new iOS after release of a new iPhone, if you recall that moment. Yeah, beside this, you can tweak it as much as you want. So here you have like multiple buttons, and you can make some of them smaller. So you can have smaller buttons for connectivity, for airplane mode, for those hit lists, for whatever. Like you can rearrange and choose how you want it to be. Okay, let me try actually to do that. Pam, pam. Yeah, okay. So I can rearrange it, and then maybe I can, okay. So yeah, let's try to put an alarm here, for example, and it's gonna be a small one, and I can drag it like this to make it bigger. So yeah, it's quite nice. And now I have an alarm here, but yeah, I can make it actually tweakable and smaller. And also these sliders for the screen brightness and for the volume, they have become, I think, just look differently and look more clear because of this handle and because of the padding around here. So yeah, I'm a user interface designer myself, and I like this update of the sliders a lot. And yeah, the last thing I just wanted to tell that Google Android team has done a great work here, since it's working on the basic Pixel. Well, not the most oldest one, but okay, the Tensor chip has arrived to 6 series, and 6A continued that. So this is like the first Tensor chip. This is basic hardware, and it's still working great. The animations are good, the interactions are nice, the haptics got better. It's like my phone has had a new birthday. And beside that, yeah, I can also tell that there were like a few glitches, a few little ones, like with my parking app. I couldn't pay for parking because it couldn't uh, tell if my device has the right time. Or for example, on the notification screen, you have this icon for the wallet faded out, but for the flashlight, it's okay. But yeah, those are such a little things that I mean, they will fix it pretty easily. But yeah, so far I'm really happy. And yeah, if you want to try new Android, Google provides that option, so you can just check if your device is capable and suitable. And yeah, just start participating in that Android developer preview, and install it on your phone. And then if you would want to roll back, you would have to do a full reset. So before you do that, make sure you have a full backup and you have everything in the clouds, which is the case for me. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you find those videos interesting, and yeah, stay in touch. Bye bye.